Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Huracan versus Nissan GTR. We will delve into the core aspects that define these automotive titans, from their raw power and acceleration to their unique driving experiences. Our goal is to help you understand the fundamental differences and similarities, guiding you toward an informed decision about which of these incredible machines truly stands out for your preferences. When it comes to sheer performance, both cars are phenomenal. The Lamborghini Huracan typically offers over 600 horsepower from its naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.5 seconds. The Nissan GTR, with its twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6, delivers up to 600 horsepower in its Nismo variant, achieving similar acceleration times. Beyond raw speed, the driving experience diverges significantly. The Huracan, with its mid-engine layout and dramatic Italian design, provides an exotic, visceral feel, often with razor-sharp handling. The GTR, known as Godzilla, offers a more planted, front-engine, all-wheel drive experience, prioritizing immense grip and technological prowess. Its muscular Japanese styling reflects its performance-oriented engineering. Considering value, the Lamborghini Huracan commands a premium, often starting around $250,000, reflecting its supercar status and exclusivity. The Nissan GTR, while still a high-performance machine, is significantly more accessible, with prices beginning at approximately $123,000. Ultimately, the better car depends on whether you seek the pure exotic theater of a Lamborghini or the incredible, technologically advanced performance of a Nissan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.